Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Nars Holiday Eyeshadow Palette. I've been waiting for this. I'm very excited about this. Thank you so much to Nars for sending this to me. I am just going to get into it. But if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. It is part of their holiday 2022 collections. I'm very excited to get my hands on it. There were quite a few things that launched in this holiday 2022 collection. One of them was an eyeshadow palette. I think there was also a cheek palette, which I think the more I looked at it, the less I thought it would really work for me. But the eyeshadow palette looked really good. I haven't tried a Nars eyeshadow palette for a very long time, so I was very excited by it. So this is the Nars Stargaze Eyeshadow Palette. It is £56 and $60 US. Not a bad price at all for an eyeshadow palette, especially one that has like 10 plus shades in it. So I'm actually quite happy with that price. Obviously I didn't pay for it, so it's a lot easier for me to say that, but I'm happy with that price. I would have paid £56 for it or $60 US for it if it is good, so we shall see. So let's see what it says about it. Seeing stars, all eyes are on you with a limited edition palette of 12 intensely pigmented eyeshadows featuring an eye-catching lineup of velvety neutrals and shimmering pops of colour. They have 12 shades, as I mentioned. They are Hayworth, which is a glitter antique gold, Heartbreak, a matte taupe brown, Hollywood Lover, a shimmering soft cool pink, Nouvelle Vague, matte soft mauve, Go Deep, matte rust amber, Los Feliz, shimmering copper bronze, Instant Stardom, satin lilac, Lights Out, shimmering purple, Double Trouble, matte deep oak brown, Swoon, satin rich eggplant, Headliner, shimmering dirty rose, and Walk of Fame, matte orchid fuchsia. And they all sound like really great shades. I was really intrigued by this eyeshadow palette. It had a really great variation. It had some fun kind of random shades like a lilac, which is always just fun to just like mix things up slightly. But it also had some really wearable shades that I saw, like really nice rich burgundies, really nice coppers and browns and golds and purple. So I feel like it has everything for anyone, depending on what you're looking for and what you need. It seems to have something for everyone's desires, and definitely something for party season in the sparkly shades. So I'm excited to try it. I'm just going to get into it. I'm going to show you guys the packaging, show you some swatches, then I'm going to get into a demo. So guys, those are the swatches on. I'm actually really impressed. I feel like the gold one was my favorite texture. It was completely different to the other sparkly ones. It was a lot more silky. It just kind of has a really nice kind of glistening sheen to it. It felt like a very old school Pat McGrath shimmer. That was a really special shade. The pinky kind of one was really nice too. It's a bit light for me, but it does remind me of like the old rose, I think it was, oh, I can't remember what it's called. There used to be a rose single eyeshadow that Pat McGrath had. It's really like that. It's a really nice shadow and it's got a really nice sheen to it. The purple's really nice too. This deep bronze is gorgeous on, really, really nice. The browns and reds are all lovely. Mattes, just chill. The aubergine is actually really surprisingly nice. I really like that. And I also really like this like deep burgundy kind of maroony sparkle as well. All of the glitter sparkles look nice. They're not like super glittery, but they have a really nice sheen to them, and they've got a bit of grain to them that give them something. The silkiest ones of them are the top two, with this one being like the absolute silkiest. But these glitters are a bit grittier and cool, but not in like a loose way, which is quite helpful. I feel like this is a really good sparkly holiday palette. I love the packaging of this. It's really nice. It feels like a proper present, and it's just very festive. It makes you feel like, where are we going? Let's go out, let's do this. That's nice. I really like that so far. I'm feeling it. It's also got a really large mirror as well, which is the entire size of the palette. You can really see your whole face and your eyes and everything, and it's just a really nice size. It's got like a very simple clasp, open, just simple, not too complicated, not too hard. This is plastic though, so obviously it's not as like travel proof as a cardboard, but it's definitely not going to get as messy as a cardboard either. I also like the fact that it's black and gold. It's just really easy to keep clean and look clean as well. So definitely liking it so far. It feels fun. It feels very holiday. It feels very party season, and I think it's a good color story for a holiday palette. So I'm intrigued to try. I'm going to do 2 looks, 1 on each eye, and I'm going to try not to get too wacko, but we'll see how it goes. Those are both sides on. I feel like this one looks a bit dodgy on camera. It doesn't look as bad in real life, but it just looks a bit odd. So I think I'm going to do another look on this side, and it also gives me a chance to try out some more of the shades. I love the bronze from this. It's kind of like chill. It's very understated, but if you do like those kind of shades, I think it's nice. I really actually like the purple and the maroon together. It was a bit of a risky combo, but I think they were actually really nice. So I'm going to now take off this eye and try something slightly different. So guys, I decided to just wipe off both sides. So I'm going to start with some new eyes. I like this eyeshadow palette. It looks a lot better in real life than it does on the camera. It is a nice eyeshadow palette. I definitely feel like the ones I thought were going to be good are okay, and the ones I just thought were okay are the ones I really like. I really like the lilac shimmer, or the violet shimmer. I really like the really nice deep maroon. I think that's really gorgeous. I like the bronze, and I like the brown one here. The gold shimmer, which I thought I was really in love with, is okay. It's just a bit faint. This brown is nice. It's just a bit dark. And the aubergine is nice too. I just think it all came together in a little bit of a hot mess kind of way, and working against the daylight was not easy, and definitely doesn't make me look as good as potentially I could have. I do like it though. I do feel like it's fun. Is it my favorite eyeshadow palette? Potentially not. But I do like the quality of all of the shimmers. I think they're really nice, and they're shimmers that you can use with a brush. They're shimmers that work really well with a brush or fingers, and they have a lot of depth to them, and they have a lot of like intensity to them, but in a very subtle way, in a way that's very like natural, everyday, normal reality makeup, which I do like. It's a kind of makeup where you don't look like you're wearing like OTT amounts, even though I do right now because I just messed it up. But the actual eyes themselves look really nice. The sheen on them is really, really nice. That goes with the bronze, that goes with the maroon, that goes with the purple, all really, really nice shades. And I would probably buy it for that. I also really, really like this maroon. I've been looking for a nice punchy red. And I feel like it's done that. So I do like this palette. I just don't think I've shown it to its best of its ability. I also wish the deep brown was a bit less deep, because you've got the aubergine, so it doesn't need to be as deep as it is. And this one didn't really work on me as well as other kind of light shades. Do like the Charlotte Tilbury Desert Haze one. That kind of works better on me than this one does. But I do think there's a lot to like. It's not bad for the price. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying it? Will you be trying it? Do you have it? Do you like the look of it? Let me know. Is it my favourite NARS thing that's dropped this year? Definitely not. I do still prefer that duo, that blusher bronzer duo, the foundation, even though I'm wearing it today, it doesn't look great. The powder, which I probably should have put on. What else? The lipsticks. NARS have dropped a lot of things this year that I've really loved. I just don't think my face, my hair, the eyeshadow, the lighting all work together very well today. But I do think there's a lot to like about this. So I will keep trying it. Hopefully I'll get a chance to show it again. But definitely think there's a lot to like. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying it? Will you be trying it? Do you like the look of it? Let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.